This is the Dave Ross Show, early edition. A growing number of states now plan to file lawsuits over health care reform, arguing that Congress has no power under the Constitution to fine people for not buying health insurance. Texas will sue.
Congress has limited powers under the Constitution, and to force Americans to buy our goods or service goes beyond the powers that they were granted.
Washington will sue.
And I think it violates the 10th Amendment of our Constitution, which reserves to the states and the people of the states any powers not expressly granted to the federal government.
The governor plans to sue our attorney general for suing. In any case, health reform supporters say nonsense. The Constitution gives Congress the power to regulate commerce among the several states. It's called the Commerce Clause. But hold on, say the suing states. How can you possibly argue that someone who doesn't buy insurance is engaging in commerce? It's not commerce not to buy something. That's like penalizing somebody for breathing. Of course, Congress does that a lot. For example, if you're just standing there breathing with marijuana in your pocket, the Commerce Clause lets the federal government not only fine you, but throw you in prison, even if you grew it yourself and never crossed a state line. The states suing over health care say they don't necessarily want to overturn the whole health care bill, just the part that makes everybody buy insurance. Of course, without that requirement, the whole reform falls apart because healthy people won't buy insurance until they get sick. On the other hand, if the suing states do win this case and the Supreme Court readjusts the Commerce Clause and kills health care reform, it would also mean that we can all have pot, which I'm told pretty much cures everything. And if it doesn't actually cure it after a few joints, you don't care. This is Dave Ross, back at 9 with the Dave Ross Show on News Talk 97.3 Cairo FM.